All right, so remember that this relationship, one of the properties of log is that of logarithmic functions or expressions is that the log base b of x is equal to y, and that b raised to the y is equal to x. So if I look at this, something b, and I'm just gonna work with this first one. Okay, something b raised to the third power equals 8. Well, I know off the top of my head that 2 raised to the third power equals 8. So that means that b is probably equal to 2. Now I can verify that by trying the same setup with the second log. Okay, so then in this particular case, b raised to the negative 1 is equal to 0.5. Well, 2 raised to the negative 1 is the same as 1 over 2 to the first power. So yeah, definitely, in both cases, b is equal to 2. So now to find the value of this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say log base 2 of 4 times 2. Okay, and we don't need a calculator for this because that's the same as the log base 2 of 8. And we don't know what that equals. It's equal to y. But remember, and this is kind of rigged up, isn't that this problem right here? Isn't that problem right there? That's the arrow, by the way. Right? Because 2 raised to the third power equals 8. So this is really just 3. Okay? In other words, log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. I suppose I could write it in here.